Hi, I'm Imani,
And I'm Gabriella.
and we're in Mrs. McClendon's 5th grade class. K2, please stand.
3-5, please stand.
6-8, please stand. Please put your right hand over your heart. We will now be leading you in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
My name is Bryce Jr.
My name's Anaya.
My name is Latera.
And this is Mr. Polk's 8A class, and we'll be leading you in the school creed.
Today, this new day, I am a successful student. I am born anew, revitalized, full of energy. Today, this new day, I am rare and valuable, unique in all the universe. I have integrity and moral fortitude. I respect the rights of choice for others, use wisdom in all that I do. Today, this new day, I have self-control and a positive mind. I fully accept myself to show compassion for others. I have the courage to do what's right and encourage others to do the same. Today, this new day, I push myself to new limits. I approach each class, each book, and each assignment with enthusiasm, perseverance, and conviction. I show gratitude for those that teach and lead me, for they help me realize my infinite potential. Today, this new day, I am a positive, successful student that tries to make my future greater in my own hands. I will succeed for I'm a Warrendale Academy warrior. Hi, my name is Anaya, and I'll be leading you all in the school pledge. Why should you watch your thoughts?
Because they become our words.
Why should you watch your words?
Because they become our actions.
Why should you watch your actions?
Because they become our character.
Why should you watch your character?
Because they become our destiny.
So what's your pledge?
Now and forevermore, always for the sword. We are kings. We are queens. We are Warrendale Academy warriors.
Hi, I will be leading you in no excuses. Excuses are forms of weakness. They build bridges leading to nowhere. Those who use these tools of confidence are masters of nothing. Those who take responsibilities for themselves have no need for excuses.
Greetings, warriors. I am so excited to have my new Warrendale match.
Me too.
And you can have your very own match for only $7. Here are the details.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Now introducing our most distinguished principal, Dr. Glass.
Happy Friday! Hoo! 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 All right. Today, social distancing and mask, all that. I'm wearing my surgical mask, not the mask that I usually wear, but this works. All right. First, Happy New Year. And I know we ended the last year talking about self-control and being your best self. So this time I wanted to, put some things out there on what can help you be your best self. This month is the month of perseverance. And there are 2 words in perseverance: preserve and severe. And I always like to put these together. How do you preserve yourself in severe times? And there are some things that people do, or some habits that people do to help them through severe times. One book that actually changed my life that I'd like to share. And I've given some books like these. I've given these books away, especially this one. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. This book changed my life. This book actually helped me change my career, the trajectory of my career. So that's, to me, is a must read. That's a book that you just gotta read. Right? You read it, listen to podcasts, or whatever. You gotta get into that book. Right? So there are some habits that people embrace that help them through severe times. And I'd just like to highlight the 7 highly effective habits that Covey suggests in his book. Being proactive, begin with the end in mind, always keeping first things first, think win-win, seek first to understand before you're being understood or being understood, synergize, and sharpening the saw. Now, most of these habits I have underneath me. One that I still struggle with, or I'm not the best at, is sharpening the saw. So I'm still working to improve myself, and I want to offer these for you to help you improve yourself. Being your best self is more to it than just stating it. You have to actively work on being your best self. And those who are really good at being their best self, there are some habits that they just instinctively do all the time. Now, one of the things that we do, I'm offering this also as a family tradition that we do. I really don't get into the Christmas holidays because I think they really lose the sense of what it's really meant for. And I've shared that during some of the assemblies. But one that I really get into is the New Year's, because it reminds me of starting anew and starting fresh. One thing that we do traditionally as a family is we talk about the highlights of the last year. What went really well last year, and how did you benefit from it? And then what was really challenging last year, and how did it help you grow? So, that's what we do as a family. We come together and we seek to see how we can support each other in being our best selves moving through the year. So this is my challenge to you. What are you going to do better this year? How are you going to be a better student? How are you going to be a better son? How are you going to be a better daughter? How are you going to be a better support in your overall family? Who are you going to support to be their best self? How are you going to be a better friend? A better sister, a better brother. So that's your challenge. That's what I want to challenge you to do. We're going to incentivize and support you and the student being better. First, being a better student, being a better learner, just growing and being your best self. To me, that's a good thing. I mean, Kelly gave me that idea, being your best self, and I think I'm going to run with it. That's going to be a thing this year. What are you doing to be your best self? Right? And we're going to help you. We're going to incentivize you to do that. So with that, have a good, positive, productive day.